going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Fremont Street out here in downtown Las Vegas. Let's do it. All right, so we're starting out in front of the Golden Gate Hotel here. You gotta wear your mask when you come in here, so let me mask up. Right here called Circa Bar or Circa Hotel, brand new. It's really nice, right next to the Golden Nugget. Whiskey liquor. Currently a Thursday in the middle of April 2021. Here's the Golden Nugget. Oh, wow. Zip lines. Watch out for these ladies, they'll whip you. I don't know. And here we are at Binions. And there's the Golden Nugget. This is your first time to Island Hopper TV. You guys can subscribe and watch some of these other videos. Virtual tours. Also, we're doing the Las Vegas Strip. You guys are gonna love that. Vegas is definitely coming back to life nowadays. So do subscribe to this channel if you love going around checking out cool places. She just told her boyfriend to shut up. I thought she was telling me to shut up. Look at that, steak and eggs for $11.99. Way cheaper than the Strip. It's the Four Queens Casino. Oh wow, look at that. Okay.
hold the team with this song. Ladies and gentlemen, that was just a warm-up. If you guys are ready for a real show, say yeah. Oh. All right, we need everyone that's watching to take a few big steps forward. We cannot block the walk right behind you. Don't be afraid. I gotta get ready this morning. Here we go. The new faces are just joining us and giving away $12 cash.
Heart Attack Grill right here. This area over here is known as Fremont East District. You can see the stratosphere way down there. We got downtown Container Park. So this side of Vegas has more bars than casinos. There's more to Nevada than just casinos, believe it or not. More Vegas than just casinos. There's a hotel there. I think it's called the El Cortez. Is here 6th Street in Fremont. Gambling at the El Cortez Hotel. Real old school down here, huh? So downtown here is the original part of Las Vegas. Kind of established alongside the Strip, but the Strip really just took off Las Vegas Boulevard. Over here is where they have the Container Park, I think, or some sort of art situation going on. 7th Street in Fremont. Yeah, it's called the Container Park. I don't know if it's open now. All right, so here we are at the downtown Container Park. See what this place has going for it. Oh. Howdy. Just gotta have the mask up. They're all shipping containers that have been turned into structures. I've seen an area like this in Philadelphia. Segway, Las Vegas. Pretty cool place. I'm surprised it's not as busy. Oh, there's a stage. Tomorrow's Friday night. I want to show you guys around this little container park. If it's your first time to Island Hopper TV, you guys can hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you like videos like this. Whoa, what the heck was that? It was a huge flame. Where did that come from? Oh, right at the top of that. Yeah. Cool spot. I think that was the thing that shot out some fire.
Have a good night.
Oh, thank you. All right, so this is basically 7th Street and Fremont. We'll head back towards the Fremont Street Experience now. Griffin. Is that Evel Pie? Oh, after Evel Knievel. Kind of like, Fremont's kind of like a Bourbon Street in a way. Except a little bit more lit up. Obviously it's not the same as Bourbon Street, but it's like Vegas's Bourbon Street. It's a walking street, you know? That guy's pretty talented. Sounds like good music.
All right, everybody, that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Fremont Street in Las Vegas, Nevada. We will see you guys on the next one.
You said pretty boy swag. I had to forget about that. I'm sorry. But I got you. Here we go.